Welcome to our Sales Insights app. We hope you get as excited as we are with the dynamic reports awaiting you. At the home screen, you'll see a menu of our tasty pre-built sales reports that will help you with different aspects of sales to quickly find the information you need. In Customer Sales Invoice section, you'll find total invoice sales, which includes sales of items, resources, fixed assets, GL accounts and other types. Item Sales Invoice Group shows data for invoiced sales items. All reports can be filtered by item fields and attributes. Total Item Sales gives you consolidated item sales including invoiced, shipped not invoiced, and outstanding quantities and amounts. Sales Shipments Group include delivery days, variance, and on-time delivery reports. Resource Sales section gives you a breakdown of invoiced resources by various dimensions. Sales Orders and Invoices groups gives you outstanding orders and invoices. Let's take a closer look at a couple of the features of some highlighted reports. Before starting, select the company you'd like to use on the left-hand side here. All reports will have a menu on the left-hand side displaying the most commonly used filters including year, month, Dimension 1 area and Dimension 2 industry. For this report, we have included sales budgets where you can select the sales budget to compare your actuals with. At the top of the page, you will see an overview of year-to-date sales, budget, profits and profit percentage, which will all automatically be recalculated if you want to know the sales and profit for just the month of August, for example. Click again to see the total. Interested in sales and budget by area? Select the state to visualize the gap between budget and sales. Want to know how hardware tracked across your customer regions? Click here. Would you like to know why we didn't meet our sales target in September? Drill down to explore the weekly and daily sales. If you'd like to know individual transactions, drill through to view. Click twice up to get the bigger picture. Over in Total Item Sales Overview, you will have the ability to overview item sales as invoiced, shipped not invoiced, outstanding and total. You can drill down to the day, customer and item here. You can see monthly sales and profit over time in this graph. Try focus mode to make full screen. Would you like to compare item sales for custom periods? We've got you covered for that too. These sliders easily adjust for the time period contrast you require. Would you like to compare first half of the year sales to the second half of the year? The item sales in the table is the current period and the comparison period is the comparison item sales in the second column. You can compare item customer sales for specific items over a period and it will again automatically adjust the comparisons for the regions. Select the ACT region in this table and it will show the comparison points for the items for that state only. Pretty cool, hey? Want to know more about your customer acquisition? Take a look at the New Customers report, which will give you a good overview of the number of customers per month. Want to know the new customers in August? Click here. Want to know about your best performing customers or items? Use the ABC classification reports contained in both item sales and customer sales. Here you can see the top 70% of sales was made up of 51 of our best performing items. The last 5% of our sales made up 27 items which are displayed here. Want to know the trends for drawers? Click on this item and it will show you by the last 12 months how it tracked over the areas. You can set the upper and lower boundaries of the ABC classifications in the Connector app in BC. Want to know your top performing salespeople? Here are the top performers. You can see how they are doing against budgets. Select the salesperson. Let's have a look at Esther. Here Esther did 11% above budget. Then I can see the overall how she performed over different months and where it dipped over time. Want info on item sales returns? Use these reports to drill down on return reasons, item sales, credit and quantities. Get specific items through selecting the reason, which will cross-filter and show the exact items and customers. Want to review your sales figures by different dimensions? You can select from over 40 measures in the menu on the left-hand side and 15 dimensions in the header here. Dimensions can be figured in BCI Power BI Connector app. Let's see how the item sales went by item group. What was our biggest seller? We sold over $1 million worth of wheels, and we can expand here to see the exact items. Which are the most profitable? Hard drives bring in the most profit, but we sold the most wheels. Which salesperson gave the biggest discounts? Marcel gave the biggest discounts. Want to go deeper? Our deep dives in customer, item sales, resources, sales orders, and invoices show you multiple aspects of your data. Let's say we want to know about total profits. I want to see profits by year, by month. Let's find out for August. And what area? The Northern Territory. And I want to know the customers. Which items did we sell to Fast Services? What else can you do in sales? We can find out the percentage of sales orders delivered on time, which is only 16%, pretty shocking. The lowest on-time delivery of items was spare parts, and to which customer. On average, we were 1.8 days late, which is found in the delivery days report, and we can see how late by customer. Want to find out the outstanding sales or invoices? Check out the sales orders or the sales invoices overview, which gives you the overview of outstanding and ordered amounts. Again, this can be filtered by item, dimensions such as area, customer, and salesperson. Every app has its own Q&A and key influences section. If you have any questions, ask the Q&A and check out our video on our intelligent Q&A called Eva. Want more? Let us know. We're constantly adding to and improving our reports.